Hi, and welcome back to SmartCore in 5 minutes or less. I'm Andrew, the founder of SmartCore, and today we're going to be walking you through how to customize your website a little bit, change the look and feel, change the colors, add some pictures, walk through each of the sections. This will focus on the public side of your website, which will be available to your members or to anyone coming in to look at it. We've done a lot of work around the website to make sure that it is easy to navigate, very clear, easy to use, has key things that your business needs to illustrate, as well as make sure it works on your phone, your tablet, and your computer for all your different members. Because you never know when people are going to be accessing it. Let's jump in and get started and see how we can customize this. Again, we're going to scroll down this home page here, and we're back in our demo gym, and we can go through and add a few different things. Let's start by adding a short description for one of our classes and create an offering. So we'll click on this. We'll click on the Add Offering button. So at our demo gym, we do a few different things, the first of which is circuit classes. So we'll go ahead and add a title. We'll add a quick description. We can also add pictures to our offerings here. We'll click on the Upload a New Picture, and we can upload from different spots. If you've got images you want to use, that's great. You can upload from your computer. We also tie in with something called Unsplash. So if you want to get images right from a service that has copyright-free images to use, we can do that. So let's do fitness, and we can pull back images really quickly. So we're going to go ahead and grab a set of pictures here. So we'll do a circuit class with boxing in it. Go ahead and select the size real quick and upload that onto the site. You can do a little cropping about what you want to use on it. Mark that as done. And we have our first offering in place. So you can see that right here. I can come back and edit it going forward. Going back to the home page, if we want to add other things, we can add a logo to our business. So over here, you can change the theme. So if we decide we want a dark theme on here, we can change it to a dark theme. And then we get the whole website on the dark side. We can upload a new image, prearranged, and for now we'll just grab the SmartCore logo. I'm not going to crop this one. We'll get the whole thing. We'll load it up, and we see it. You can see it doesn't really show up on the dark side, so we're going to switch that back to the light theme. You can also change your colors. So if I want to use a different theme color to kind of give accents, we can do that. So we'll go ahead and pick this pink one. We also give you some contrast ratio information so you know it's compliant for people with disabilities. So we'll swap that back, and we'll go with sort of a purple theme, a light theme, going back. Hopping back out to our main site, we've sort of worked through different things. We'll go ahead and add a profile picture. So I've got my information here. I've typed up a quick profile for myself. And here we can add other information. And here you can see we've got a profile picture up and ready to go. Unfortunately, neither of those is me, but that looks pretty good. Down here we can also make some adjustments. So I can make this a profile that's public. I can also be notified when a new account is created and things like that. So go ahead and save this. And going back out there, now if we go to our Instructors tab, we can see that my profile is listed out there where it wasn't before. For a specific page, we can also do a few different things. So we can click on the scheduling side. And in the bottom here, let me just move myself out of the way. On every page, you'll see this sort of blue button. Clicking that gives you some information about the page. So you can change the page title, you can add a subtitle. So we'll call this Gym Hours. Check out when we are open. And again, I've got some information that I've sort of preset here. On pages that have information, we can hide existing ones. If you want to highlight this page on your home page, you can do that just by clicking through here and give it a title. So, hours when you can come visit us. See our schedule. And then we can add an image to here as well. We have different things we can do, so we can also tie this in with your Instagram or Facebook. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a picture from my Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and connect that up. Go ahead and allow that. And now we can see on my Instagram page the different things we do. I love showing off my dog, so for my schedule one, I know it doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but we'll go ahead and grab that schedule picture with my dog there. I got to highlight cinnamon on all these videos at some point. That's my goal. We can see that in other places as well. So we've got our schedule. We can see that we're going to log in to see additional classes. We've got the ability to add gallery pictures. So here again, you can come in, quickly add multiple images to your gallery. You can change the heading pictures across all of them. And then we've got quick form information. So here you can see I've got my email available. If I go back to the portal and I want to make other information available under company settings, if I add a phone number, so we'll just add a fake phone number here, 55555. If I want to allow texting to that, I can turn that on. I can add my social feeds right here, which allows us to create those and put them on the website. We'll save that, head back, and now you can see we've got our phone number available in the contact information. If I had added social feeds, they would be available down here. And on the contact page, you can see the phone information available there. Anyway, we've gone a little long today. We do try and keep these under 5 minutes, but there's a lot to cover in terms of the customization for all this. So I hope you enjoyed it. Looking forward to doing more of these videos. It's a great platform, and we'd love to answer more questions. As always, if you need help from us, contact us at support@smartcore.life. Thanks, and have a great day.